Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video where I'm going to show you how to change your username on Reddit. So if this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch this video until the end and let's get right into it without any further ado. The one thing that you need to know is that you'll only be able to change your username on your Reddit if you created your account of Reddit using your Google account or your Apple ID. Because if you created your account using your email, it will already ask you to create a username. So that is the only username that you can create and that cannot be changed. But however, if you created your account using Google or your Apple ID, it will not ask you to change your username while you create an account. So if that is the case for you, then only you'll be able to change your username. So from here, you just need to tap on your profile icon on the top right. And if you tap on my profile, it's gonna straight give you a section of entering and creating a username for yourself. Type in any username that you want, and once you set it, you won't be able to change it again. So make sure you pick your username carefully because you can only set your username once on Reddit. So that was the video on changing username on Reddit. Give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more.